In today's video, with no shaky cameras, I am going to show you how to change the engine oil in this thing, how much, what type, and how to do it. Let's get into it right away. Okay, step number one, guys. You got to run the car for about 15 minutes to warm up the oil. So I ran it for 15 minutes. Literally for the price of these ramps, you can change your own oil. So I bought some ramps. I drove it up onto the ramps. Don't worry about this. I'm fixing that in a different episode. And emergency brakes on, the vehicle's in park, and I blocked the back wheels. Okay, let's go underneath. So you're gonna need one of these. You can buy one of these for like $15. Slide it under there. Okay, just so you familiarize yourself with where we're going. So right over here, look, so simple. So there it is. Not that part, this part. See, there's a 17 mil there. So all you gotta do is grab yourself a ratchet, put this underneath, and look at this, guys. You can change this oil in like 7 minutes, literally by yourself. And you just unscrew this, and all the oil will come out. And I'm also gonna show you how to change the filter. So there, okay, let it all come out till it stops coming out. See you in 1 minute. Okay, as you can see, it stopped coming out. Grab a little paper towel. Just give that a wipe. Just like that. You grab this thing. I also wiped it while the oil was draining. Go like that, and tighten that up. Nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it. You don't want it coming off. Okay, so that is done. Okay, now we're moving on to the oil filter. Okay, so the oil filter, check it out. So there's the motor. See, there it is. It's right there. Right, so the best way to get to it is, okay, you can use one of these type of tools. It takes a small one. Okay, so underneath here, watch. You go underneath. I'll try to show you so you can understand where it is. See, there's like a cutout here. So watch, when you look in that cutout, see? There it is. Usually you could grab it with your hand, turn it with all your might, and it might come off. There. Is it coming? It is coming. Okay, you just basically turn it. See? Oil will start coming out, so you gotta put your hand under here. And if you can't get it with your hand, you get in here with one of these and you just grab it this way and you turn it, right? But in our case, it came off. So, see, just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go up top. And I should be able to get it off from the top. Okay, you can't get it from the top. So you gotta get it from underneath. So I'm gonna wait till the oil stops dripping. And I'm gonna get my hand in there. And I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna do it right now, actually. You ready? Watch this. Ah! All right, I got a little bit dirty, so. Okay, let me clean up my arm and stuff. See you guys in 1 sec. Okay, here is the new filter. Here's a number. The only thing is different brands have different numbers. So all you do is you go to a car parts store, you tell them what car you have, what year, and they will give you a filter. So there's a little plastic cover on it. We're gonna remove that. Okay, it is removed. So this rubber gasket here, you gotta make sure that didn't stay on the motor. So let's go look. The best way to look in there, because it is hard, is you just use your phone. So watch, I'll show you exactly what I would do. See, you go underneath, make sure your light's on your camera. And you can get right in there. See? And you can check, make sure Okay, I don't know if it looks good or not because I gotta watch the video. Okay, always compare your new one to your old one. Yep, they look exactly the same. Okay, so now what you do, put this right side up like this. I put a little bit of clean motor oil in here. Put some on your finger. And you want to get this gasket, see? Or this O-ring or gasket or whatever. So you want to put oil on it. Okay, so now, I don't think I can record this, but I'm gonna stick my hand under there and I'm gonna turn this thing on. And you basically put it as tight as you can with your hands. So really hand tight. Okay, I'm gonna get it on. There's no way I can record that. Okay, I got it on. So the hardest thing about it is you can't see when you're putting it on. So you gotta feel, you know, clean hand and that. Put it on, screw it on. So that is done. Okay, now you open this. And this car takes, see right here, 0W20 oil. And you got to put in exactly 3 liters. So this is 5 liters. 3 liters, which is 3.2 quarts. 3.2 quarts or 3 liters. So obviously I'm going to figure that out using the little chart here. And I'm going to dump 3 liters into the car. Doing that right now. All right, guys. Oil is in. Obviously, you're going to start your car, check for leaks, and then you're going to check your oil level. Beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. I got lots of videos on this car. Front brakes, back brakes, transmission oil, which is complicated. I got a good video coming on that. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.